Depending on your business model, inventory tracking may or may not be a critical and necessary task. If it is, your program has a built-in system to help your company manage stock. So let's review. To start off, you're going to want to log into WorldVu, and on the main admin menu across the top, we'll scroll over Catalog and click on Manage Products. From here, we will select on the product we are working with, and from the product information page, we will drop down to Inventory. The inventory page starts out with 4 different features that you can choose if you wish to do so, or you can leave these exactly as they are. If you are going to manage stock, there are 6 additional features that will appear. So let's start by talking about these other 3, and then we'll come back to manage stock. You'll want to leave the minimum quantity allowed in a shopping cart at 1, unless this is a product that cannot be purchased in a single unit. If you need to change this, uncheck the Use Config setting, and then change the number to the appropriate amount. The maximum quantity allowed in a shopping cart provides you the ability to set a limit on the quantity a shopper can purchase at one time. Under Enable Quantity Increments, you may set a minimum quantity for purchases. For example, if we are selling our lavender scented candles in cases of 6, we could set our increments at 6 so that only a full case of either 6, 12, 18, and so on could be purchased at one time. However, this would usually be set under the product description, and an order of 1 would be an entire case, and the price would be set accordingly. And in that case, this would be left as no. So let's take a closer look at the Manage Stock field. If you have a product that you're not worried is going to run out of stock, perhaps you have a fulfillment company that will be able to produce as many items as are ordered, then go ahead and just leave this as no. If you do have stock that needs to be managed, go ahead and uncheck the Use Config settings and change this to yes. As you will see, this will give you a list of additional features. The first one is quantity, the number of this item you have on hand for sale. Next is the quantity for item status to become out of stock. The default setting for this is 0. This assumes you can sell every single one of this item that is in stock. We've already covered the next 2, so let's drop down to quantity uses decimals. Only use this if you are selling something by weight or length. For example, if a customer can purchase 4.5 yards of fabric. If so, select yes. Can be divided into multiple boxes for shipping is used for more complex shipping solutions where it is important to know how to handle the product at shipping. You may leave this on the default setting for now. Back orders tells the program what to do when you run out of stock. You may choose to not accept back orders, or accept back orders and notify the customer. Notify for the quantity below, let's say 1, tells the program when to notify a customer that the product is on back order. This, of course, will only occur if you have selected Notify Customer in the option above. We've already covered the next feature, and the last feature, stock availability, is perhaps the most critical. This must be checked as in stock. If it's out of stock, the product will not show up on your website. And again, remember to save your changes. Now, if you have gone through the General, Prices, Images, and the Inventory tabs on the left-hand side, you have finished and completed all of the basics required to set up a new product under Manage Products and move on to the next set of videos under Manage Categories. Thanks for watching.